Paws Solana OG allocation. So if you log in into your Paws account, you discover that there is a special allocation allocated for Solana OG. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do wait to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, link in the description of this video. If you are disappointed with getting dust on Telegram airdrop and you want a better airdrop that will give you value for your time, resources, money, I introduced to you testnet, node, despin, and AI airdrop that can easily reward you. A lot of people are making millions in testnet, node, despin, and AI projects. They are solid projects that pay people in dollars, USDT. So check the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel. You're going to see a list of those projects you can start doing right now, right away. A lot of people made millions on grass, social value, and a whole lot of them. So enough is enough for Telegram airdrop dust. So now coming to Paws OG allocation. So if you go to your Paws account, as you can see from here, so when you log in or you use this link on the screen here, so when you go to your Paws account, you confirm with your wallet, you're going to see down below Solana OG. So when you click on Solana OG, you'll be asked to check your allocation. Before you check the allocation, these are the things you need to actually know. If you are not holding any of this coin, forget about it. You are not getting additional Solana allocation, and those coins are allocated into two. We have the meme coin, then we have the DeFi category. And if you look at the meme coin, we have this. You can see these are the list here. So if you are not holding any of this in your wallet, I'm sorry, no additional OG allocation. But if you have this in your wallet, in your Solana wallet, you can be rest assured that you are getting additional token. You can see the list of this token here, this airdrop. So these are major Solana coins, major meme coin and major DeFi Solana coins. If you are holding them, if you are the holder, if you are a holder, you actually get additional Paws allocation. And a lot of people are making insinuation that this OG is an indication that Solana, that Paws is going to actually do well. In my own opinion, don't raise your expectation too high in Paws. If you look at the pre-market price, in my own opinion, I don't think that the listing price of Paws will be higher than the pre-market price. I may be wrong anyway, but in my own opinion, based on my experience and what I've seen in other projects, pre-market price is just like a template to what will actually happen. But this is not the law. Anything can happen in the crypto space. But before I go, if you are tired of getting dust in Telegram airdrop, check the link in the description and the comment section of this video. Join my Telegram channel. You're going to see lists of airdrop, testnet, node project, AI project you should be farming right now. They pay well in dollars, USDT. Enough is enough for Telegram dust. See you at the top.